तो हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल दैट इज क्रिएटिंग एसेट्स मेक्स मनी मोर। और आज हम बात करने वाले हैं अपने इस ट्रेड को लेकर के जो आज इनिशिएट करूंगा। सो टुडे स्टिल नाउ आई हैवंट ट्रेड एनी any strike price till now, and as of now market is showing little bit movement, but I am not hoping to it go beyond more than 200 and approximately 200 points. So let's start with the video over here, and so first of all, let me show you what's the strategies for today, and then we will look for the better opportunity. So see here, it says like it is today's the movement will be a kind of dicey and one-sided movement is isn't going to be happen today, and it's right now hovering around 47,800 rupees if we talk about bank nifty. And if I go for the nifty one, which is approximately 22,400 to 2,000 22,300, somewhere in between. So it is appearing a really good negative candle over here. If it stays below this candle, which is the previous one 5 minutes candle, then we will look for the selling opportunity in the put side. And beside, we will not take any further trade for, because as per what we have gained till now is pretty much enough and compared to the previous days. So we are going to stick with the idea to be in a position where we will be able to not give too much to the market, and if it is in our trade or if in our position, then we will try to find out more benefits in compared to the lesser amount which we can give to the market. So we are closing this indicator, and then we are applying another indicator over here, and then we are moving to the option chains, and let's see what we can come up with the idea and solution. So as of now, everything is going smoothly, no trade till now. Let me show you first, and it's a little bit laggier as I already informed in the previous videos, so I cannot do much about that. But it seems to be it's crossing, so I feel like this is the time when I have to place a put side buying order. And for that, let me select the right strike price so that I can come up with the better opportunity and earn in terms of good revenue from it. So see, this is the strike price, option strike price, which we have. It is approximately 47,800 strike price, which is hovering around 375, and we are looking for the call put side. So we are going to take put this 210 rupees put. We are going to watch this put, and if we talk about call side, then we are going to take this is quite enough, but it is more beneficial if I took this one. But let compare first what we can get from these two. And yet as it is trying to hold itself, and it is day candle, so let me convert into 5 minutes so that we can have a pretty much idea where we can place a stop loss, where we can get enter in the trade, and what else we can do for this trade. So everything seems to be perfectly fine for this, but it is not worth of having trade. Instead of this 227, we will look for the 190 rupees value trade, which which we are going to buy around 220 approx. So that is the strike selection from my side. It is more or less to do with the idea where I should buy or sell. It is, and see, this is amazing, and it's going around 225. So what would I do over here? Like, I would try to place a buy order when it crosses this 225. So approximately when it crosses the level 220, 230, then I place a buy order, and I will sell it below approximately 280 or above that. That is going to be my target. And and I have successfully placed one trade. Let me show you so that you do also have a pretty much idea and awareness of that what I'm going to do over here. So there is no current running trade, and let me refresh it also because it's a little laggy. And as of now, I have placed a buy order around this level, means above 230 approximately. This level is the right level, 230, and my target would be around in between this zone, and my stop loss, it has to be around 200 max. That is the maximum stop loss, but let's see what will happen. And if everything goes as means everything not goes as planned, and then it cross these level, then I placed a buy order above this, and approximately my target would be above this. So both side I'm placing a buy order, and I don't feel this today's the market is one-sided, or it will go one way. So 225 and then 230 is going to be my trailing target. And let me go to the orders now. There is no current running order, and these are the two current running trade, means not running trade. It's actually the trade which I will take in when these levels get crossed. And before that, let me check what exactly is the market doing, just for the sake of understanding where we could get the best benefit trades. Let me unpin it so that we can get the pretty much idea where the market is right now. And so it is taking some support at 22,000. It is taking some support at 22,000 somewhere, and 22,000. And if it try to hold it, they will do one thing, which we can do, like we can sail below these levels, and like 47,800 put, if it holds this level. So let's see. And for the sailing, what we can do, that is 8. So let me open one more tab so that we can look for the selling opportunity. And I hope today is the day for the option sailors, not for the option buyers. There is a little bit, the chart is showing some sort of, like, not too much confident about the momentum, one-sided momentum actually. And so we are going to place. So see, these two different indices I have successfully enrolled here. And for the option chain, what I'm doing, I am going to take this as in to look for it for better opportunity. And instead of that, I will do this call, take this call as in like if it holds this level and try to be there. So this is the, as of now, the all strategies which will be like, if everything goes in the direction, then I will look for buying or selling from there. So it seems to be market is crossing lower levels, and market is crossing lower level, and I am sticked with that buying, but so till now, as I suspected, it will not cross 18, means 48. That what was last 47,800, and if it didn't cross, that would be a really nice opportunity for me for the selling side. So okay, it's okay. There is some sort of different. Okay, it's a day candle. That is why it is not in understandable mode. So let me change it to 5 minutes candle so that we can have a pretty much idea where should we sell or where should we buy. And it's little bit laggier actually because of the internet connectivity, but I cannot do much about that. And see, it's around 300, and the stop loss would be around this 45. So that is a really good opportunity if I sell it somewhere on this level. So what I'm going to do, I'm placing a sale order with just 10 point of, okay, it crossed. It crossed, so let's see, because up it's already crossed, so I somehow get lucky enough to do not get entered in this, or if I end up getting lost over here. And if I look at the levels, it crossed these level, and I'm sticked with my trades. Like let me show you what was my trade, and this was my trade which was successfully done, and it is now 70, average price 30. Okay, yeah, cool. No issues. So I'm in a loss of around 60 to 60 rupees to 100 rupees. And okay. So what I will do, once this level again cross, then I will again buy at 230, and with the 15 quantities only in my hand. So right now I'm in a loss side because I placed around this particular point, I placed a buy order, and right now it is again at the same level, which means market should be hovering around below this level. Yeah, it is. And this level, once it cross this level, then there would be a chance to be in a position where we can look for the better opportunity, or else we will wait for some more time. And as I said, I will sell it. So I have already sold one quantity somewhere on this particular point, and my stop loss would be around 360 if it cross these levels, 360 360, and 316 370 would be my stop loss. And right now, as of now, my losses is around not this, actually I have one more trade, taken one more trade, which is, as I said, I have also sold one I have also sailed at around 40, around this level. And let's see. So when this crossed, we can look for another buying opportunity in this. And here it is also relevant if we placed a buy order above these levels. So market is trying to hold itself. As I said, it is going to be a little more confidential level. So this level is going to be a good fundamental level where the market takes support and go will above this. But if it breaks, then we will look for the selling opportunity also. But Nifty Bank, Nifty 50, if they both are showing strength in this, so we will look for the buying opportunity in call side. So I will place the buy order of 235 or somewhere 240. And as of now, my losses is around 75 or 50 rupees. Or I can place a buy order also at 195 with the stop loss of, once it cross these level now, then it is going to be a good trade. So when it cross, then again there is a chance to go of like 100 points or somewhere on this point. So we can do one thing. We can place a buy order when this level get crossed, approximately 35 or somewhere 40 somewhere, or we will sell it to 70. Once it crossed, then only. So everything is going as like in controlled situation. And what could be the possibility of me into a losing strike when it goes above this and then goes below, means then that is going to be a more like SL hitting, you can say SL hitting, I don't know what. It's 10 o'clock already, 10. Oh, not. And if there is a momentum will be going to come, then it has to be a little bit. I'm looking for the buying opportunity again, because see, why it is it's trying to hold in this, and it is about to cross also. So Well, everything is right now in like understandable and controllable situation, and market is also showing some strength, and in so it crossed 235. Then there is also a little chance to place a buy order also, because if you look at the market is showing good strength. So it's crossed, and so as I was suspecting that it has to go above these levels, and that breaks the 40 level, and I'm expecting it to around 60 or somewhere, or there is just one mistake which happened, that is I placed a buy order again, which was get triggered around this level. I wanted it to place somewhere around 35, but eventually I wouldn't able to do that, and that is the reason. Okay, so I'm in right now loss of 300 rupees because the market isn't moving as I planned. So see, what is the issue, that is a little bit more trickier. So if it cross these level now 220, then I will place the buy order again. I will not going to it is taking okay, so Nifty 50 is also showing strength. Nifty Bank is already moved to a good point, but the prices is not increasing as I was thinking. So I have to like get exited from this, or else I will be end up getting in losing strike, which I don't really want. And it's 46. So what I'm going to do, I'm placing some stop loss around 40, or so it crossed the level around 251, but it's again coming back to that same. It is a little bit difficult. So right now I'm in a position of around 1,300 rupees in a profit, and I will be sitting at links. I will not be going to wait for too much for this, because it's already moved quite and some profitable situation. So the strategy and all, which I have already shared with you, that is going to be intacted. And let me refresh it once so that you can have a pretty much idea what is all about and where we can get that amount. Okay, so there is one more brilliant opportunity which is coming, that is we can move it to 250 or somewhere around 240, that it is right now hovering around 230. That is a really good opportunity which we have, and as I suspected that it has to be go like these level only, that is already achievable. And I'm going to exit this around 70, or if it crossed these level, then I will wait for around taking that. I'm telling it around 200 for 240 rupees at 240 rupees, and it's right now 250, which means I'm at the position where I can lose 300 rupees. But let's see. Okay, so it's already over now from my side, because now I'm having 1,500 rupees as in profit over here. And if I look for this, then which I have sold it somewhere around this, then over here I would going to do one trailing around 280. So it's now hovering around 260, so I'm going to place it around 230 280 rupees, which is eventually coming up again really good beneficial trade for me. It's right now everything is going as planned, and as I said, it has to be in this way only, and everything goes fantastic till now. And it's at 300 rupees, as I was like the maximum target for myself, but I was supposing to get exit 270 somewhere around this particular point already, but I get exited around, yeah, I get exited around 270 somewhere at this point. So done from my side, guys, and for today's video, I hope I'm okay. Let refresh it. It's not the actual profit which is showing over here. So actual profit and this profit is two different things. What I can do, one thing, that I can sell call side from the above, so that we can, again, it's not the right profit, man. It is too laggy. It's too laggy. Okay, yeah, this is the right profit, 1,461 rupees. And it was approximately working at 1,500 or 2,000 somewhere. But as I said, like, I'm placing a trailing stop loss, which is of 240, and here it was around 270, and that both get hitted. So that is why my 300 rupees here and 300 rupees here get triggered, and 600 rupees loss. So it was approximately 2,100 rupees as in profit. So that is all from my side in the morning video. So I hope everything goes fantastic. I'm able to explain what I have did and able to make money from here. So that's all from my side, guys, and I will update in upcoming video if there is any changes which I'm going to make in my trades. Thank you for watching. Have a great day ahead, and keep learning, keep growing yourself.